I have a GE microwave with a steam sensor notice. What do I need to do?
Do you know the model of your GE microwave? How old is it?
Model JVM 7195 SK3 SS2 installed 2 years ago.
How long has this been going on with your GE microwave? What have you tried so far?
Today, trying to pop popcorn. This is a new home. I looked through the pile of books left by the builder, and could only find the quick care guide as well as the installation guide.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Can't think of anything.
Thank you for your question. I am reviewing it and will respond in a moment. First, try to unplug the unit or shut the breaker off to the unit for 2 full minutes to reset all the controls on it. See if that changes the condition. If not, the steam sensor will need to be changed out. That is internal above the inside of the microwave cavity. The unit has to be taken apart to get to it, so hopefully the reset works. All I ask is to please use the rate and submit button in the upper right or left corner of your page for me. That will allow you to come back anytime for free to me for any follow-up questions on the issue. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.